Na nakanukalingwan ning overseas Filipino worker ay Mary Prodigo ing kayang denasan king bangsang Israel anyang manataki lareng Hamas militants anyang 7 na ning Oktubre. Miras kanung 19 oras ing karelang penayan bayu la ma-rescue. Bistaman miligtas siya Mary at asunenge ni Keti Pilipinas abu nyamong niuli ing kayang kapatad ay Grace Rodrigo Cabrera ametong mo naman caregiver keng Israel kalupa na. Tubula talagang ilu-ilo ring mi kapatad a Rodrigo at may kapakesawa ang kapampangan ni Grace.
He was murdered.
Order rules. Aviva, no. She's alive.
She's alive?
She's alive. Only my sister took that terrorist took.
Kinwento ng Mary kang Israeli Ambassador to the Philippines Ilan Floss ing karelang mapait adenasan. Personal yang may kirame ing ambassador kareng pamilya ng Grace keng apalit Pampanga anyang Martis November 7. Agpangkang Mary, minunaya pang mideklarang missing ing kayang kapatad at October 18 namo kanu anyang akumpirmarang metong ya ini kareng a-recover ng bangke base na rin keng fingerprint analysis. Base king datos ning Israeli government kapa iya i-Grace kareng Pilipinong kumpirmadong mete king gera king Israel. Metong neman keni ing kabalentamong Paul Vincent Castelvi ataw Uliana king syudad na ning San Fernando.
There are 4 Filipinos that we know that have been murdered by Hamas operatives. There are 2 Filipinos that are still unaccounted for, which we are still trying to verify what is happening to them. You have to understand that there are a lot of remains, human remains, that it is because of the atrocities of the Hamas was difficult yet to identify, and this is work which is going on in Israel. And secondly, nobody was able to visit the hostages.
Samantala, bistaman may nga kuya kanong suporta ing Israeli government kareng OFW asu Israel, dapat kanong iuna pamurin ing karelang kaligtasan agpangkang Pampanga Vice Governor Lilia Pineda.
Sabi niya, meron silang malaking support monthly or hindi natin alam hanggang kailan. Hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan. Pero sabi ng OWA, sila rin, wala pa silang details. Wala pa silang kung kano ang ibibigay. Pero siyempre meron. Kaya lang, siguro, hindi pa natin matatanong sa kanya. Basta ang sinasabi niya, magsusupport sila all the way. So, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan yung sinasabi nilang gano'n. Kailangan lang. Pero, ang maganda ang dapat dito, i-save mo na. Yung safety, di ba? Kasi kahit suportahan niya, patay na
At ine kanong gagawang takbang in provincial government na ning Pampanga bang aso pandeng kabalenta mong magobra Israel. Abisa ng muli Keti.
Well, kamukada rin ng Israeli government. Ginawa yung ordinance na per family, dinaning 300,000. At saka papa-inventaryo ko la rin family da rin, OFW na Kapampangan, na Tiyo Israel. Papa-inventaryo ko na la, Bangkanita. Bakit la rin family na nung pwede nga kumbinsido kan to go home. Diba? So, ngini, papaikot ko la ka rin kapitan.
Ako yung kakayong kalasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.